Hey, it's Yule, Kansas Home Guys, out here back at the Valley Center house. We're out here the other day, just before they were going to be knocking out the concrete to do our egress window. Today we're out here and we see the metal framing that'll go inside of our hole here to help hold up the walls, keep the dirt from coming in. That's the concrete they cut out to make way for the window. And what these do is these are here just in case there's an emergency, a fire, that there's an escape. So you have another way to escape, not just through your door. So that way you can crawl out the window, and then there'll be a little ladder to get you out of the hole here, the egress hole. And so you'll be able to get up and run to safety. So this is what makes it a legal bedroom.